The cake war in a social media, it just now over. It now over. Me say the cake war in a social media just can't over. It can't over because every time it touch a time a area Tina come out with war. She cuss Dana and she cuss off Kris. That's why the cake war in a social media it now go over. Cause Tina just feel like she are the biggest baker. But the cake war in a social media just over. Speak my mind family, what's up? Boy, the weather man. In projection is coming to perfection. Bear what I'm telling you. Yeah, my loud voice here run come in defense. Stay away there, man. The weatherman projection I work people. Him say we will be getting rain for the whole week. But it will be afternoon showers. Him never say how long, but him said it's going to be afternoon showers. And so far yesterday, which is Monday, and today Tuesday, is on the right part. But you see when the rain don't fall, people, me I tell you, it no look good. When the rain don't fall, it no look good, people. The place hot because guess what? It no fall for long. So the little rain fall, dry out the little heat way in the ground. Me no know, me always say no cure rain fall at Jamaica for how much days. Any day it no fall. The time like rain never fall for years. Anyway, speak my mind family, you don't know what they do, you know. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend and hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch the ads. It's the festive season of Christmas where YouTube give a lot of ads because they get a lot of contract. So the channels get a lot of ads. So please don't be frustrated. Support your channels in watching their ads. You understand? Yes. So when you don't support us by watching the ads, that's how we gain our revenue. Yeah man, that's how we gain our revenue. So just support the channel them. Alright, one love. And we don't say me talk for everybody because it's true me know say we are one nation over here. Me expect we not support the one nation channel them. Me not talk for everybody. Me talk for the one nation channel. Alright? I wanna know Life is a Mission TV YouTube channel over there. You can subscribe the man. A full time for you take me out of that 3,000 bracket there. If you don't want to carry me a 4 and hold me up, let me go up and go slow again. But take me out of that 3,000 bracket right now, man. Too long there, so. And remember the channel also extend to TikTok. Life is a Mission TV. Social commentary, public affairs. A little vlog I go post over there too. But I'm mostly social commentary and public affairs are going over there right now. And that is where I start in a social media. If you don't check my channel from back then, cooking and that where I start with. You understand? And if you don't realize the 3 channel actually, 3 platform actually, you get a different vibes from the 3 platform. But you don't want to miss some things over there, so man. Only for reality speech. So you go over TikTok and follow me over TikTok. As I say, I able to go live now because me say you should have like certain amount we have to have where you can go live. Then me say them change it. Then now why they me get a notification said after I reach 100 followers me get a notification said me can go live. But me now go live until you give me 1,000 sub. And when you give me live, when you give me that 1,000 sub there, you go start get live. Because anyway me there and the spirit and the vibes take me. Me just go on live. Me not feel fret about background noise and background music and them something there. You understand? So just give me 1,000 subscribers or followers, whatever them deal with over. I think our followers them say over there. And we're gonna start get some live over there. Alright? Yeah man. So Life is a Mission TV, TikTok, Life is a Mission TV, YouTube. And remember Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Give her a subscription, please and thanks. You need 104 more to reach at 1,000. And it's over here now, me a big enough. You know, me agree, me not gonna lie. I don't think two of them, they are putting in enough work. But one of them I used to them laptop down and stuff and ray. So, but that's poor excuse. I don't think they are putting in enough work, you know, for Ghana on support. Because probably gonna go over there and say, sorry. But me I beg you know, for my sake, the subscription now take not now found. Me could see if that can be a change. You understand? A whole lot of people out here do certain things and do some simple little things if them get the privilege, you can see change. Well, would I sit down and I say, boy, that not change them. So if we make them reach a 1,000 subscriber there, and then now them know the content if we bring the watch hours, you know, so them run out and come deal with it. So me I beg you, just give them the 1,000 subscriber. Them want 104 more. And remember, the cash app is there, $ Charms and Trends. If you want to give me, so I give back to the needy. I remember when I said in a previous vlog, the Christmas season is coming up. I don't know it go. Alright? And please to support Charms and Trends. Check out the business page on Instagram. Charmed_and_trends. And support them. Drop in the DM and order. Customize. It's a season for giving back gifts. Make your gifts be special by customize it. Your husband, your wife, your child, your family, your mother, whatsoever. Alright? Big up on yourself. We're all getting at the video now. Well, you don't know as you hear the intro. It's about Tegan, and I promised you this video this morning, but I dropped something different. So you will get this one now. So you don't know. Kris have theme talk, you know. She chatted her dirty mouth last night. Kris time for talk. So stay tuned.
Because I did listen to one pity party a while ago. I mean, I tell you, say, I couldn't listen to no more. Honest to God, I could not listen
Stay
to
blessed, natural Joe. Straight to the Prospect
the
Center.
The filth, the garbage, the rubbish. Oh my God. No, my love. I couldn't take it no more, my love. I just couldn't take it no more. You know, I have one burner profile, and very rarely I go look on people things. You understand me? But, you know, somebody sent me a message and they were like, Kris, the girl over there talk about 2 gay men. 2 gay men. She not refer to the name, the men, but she refer to 2 gay men.
Oh.
So me, she attack.
You see them video when me do?
I don't know what's wrong with this lady. Every day the girl get up. The girl is just
obvious she
so
never have to call her name as me said.
bothered. I have
We know the 2 persons where she attack, England she attack, and I don't do it, no one of them.
On the face of this earth, see somebody that is just so hurt and bothered. You're hurt because you're losing. You're hurt because you're not selling no cake. You're hurt because you are outnumbered. You are hurt because you cause yourself the hurt. You can't. Tina Chin.
The woman hurt because the same something where you're saying go give the woman. You know that same something where you say you're saying go give the woman, and she take it up and look on her phone and have it up in her face. I don't know if she think of one of them jumbo sachets are a bad dog. And it's like she like it. But she come on her channel, on her page, and I say, you like her. So I don't know if she did send you nothing and you see it. You understand? But as far as when me hear, you send her things as when me hear, or she see things as when me hear. And if I dig, she go dig and find it. And she pushed it up in her face. But she say, you like her, and you won't tell her. But it seems like she like you, and she want you. So I don't know. So that is probably part of the problem too.
You cannot expect to come up here and to be slandering people pitney and slandering other people and don't expect.
Should I do them something there? Like you tell man.
Lady. You're not the Queen of Sheba.
Should not slander people pitney. Should not talk about people pitney.
You don't own the world.
Talk about our pitney.
Okay?
You
own what in your house and where you have for yourself. You don't own nobody out here. So everybody free for chat and free for go along with and defend themselves as to how them see fit. You don't own jack shit. None of it out here. You're not going to own none of it tongue. Not mine. Not my tongue, my love. You're not going to own my tongue, my love. You're not doing it.
Them the rotten teeth, they crunch off piece of your tongue.
Every day since the week start. Like a...
Them say when sharp metal and rotten metal cut you, you know, a dangerous cut that you get, you know. Worse if you're diabetic. So them the rotten teeth there in a fjord mouth corner around here, so I don't know why one side of your mouth corner rotten out. And you have must about one round here, so but the whole around here so rotten out. And what? Actually you eat pan the side there? Because you don't know one side of your mouth or the strong side of your eat pan, you know. Because I don't know if you know, every teeth in your mouth play different roles. Did you know? Did you people know that? Every teeth in your mouth play different roles. So, we eat on one side of our mouth. So I don't know how she eat on that side. Or I don't know if when she do that something there in the dance hall, you know, that talk on mic something there. Yes. When she used to goggle, she used to store the something there, the liquid something there round pan a corner too long. And sometimes some of them bad. So it come like a them ratting out the teeth. So you know why she hold your tongue with them the teeth there?
Big lump of lard. Guys, wanna not say who over there look on the lady, my love? She'll sit down and she look sour. She just a swell like them bullfrogs from down there wherever, my loves. The girl just sit down and she just sour. She did indoctrinate people on social media about this and that. Why would you come out and alright. The problem that I have, and it shouldn't be a problem to me, really, right? It shouldn't be a problem to me. But the problem that I have with this lady is that you come out here and you start your live videos cool and calm and okay. Then zoops, the topic.
Just like the one I'm going to post this morning, people. Yeah. I don't lie, I tell. You know, you me talk it. Just like the video I'm going to post this morning, you hear me I tell you no. She come out here and she make it, you know, I don't know if she feel like so boy, if she come up, boom and jump on the topic, she won't garner much support right away. But when she come out on a certain topic, she try to build the viewers. Yeah, she a build. And then she see it reach a certain amount of numbers now where she can use it to market herself by calling Kris name, Dana name, and as me say, Noel name start be a part of it, but even the lesser part of the business. She just jump and switch instantly. Instantly she move from Yasso and go and wake this up on the two people them name. I said it this morning, in the video this morning. And then the first me said, I always said, when she start her life, she start talk about certain little thing, and then all of a sudden the conversation just switch. Sometimes what she do, she imagine a comment. It's like, it's either she have a phone in front of her where she write down what she ever say and make it look as if somebody make that comment in the comment section, because I have been on her live and her videos many a times when she says something where a comment is concerned, and when you look you don't see that comment. The only way that comment will be there unless I over TikTok, I never yet go over TikTok, I never know her TikTok account. But if you look on Facebook, you don't see that comment. And if you look on YouTube, she's not on YouTube. So where she there on Twitter? Me don't know, Twitter. And why she would have carried something like this, which is her strong point in social media, to come out here and tear down people, call up Kris name, call up Dana name. And she carried over somewhere where the support base of her followers is not there. And probably most of who is over there don't understand what she would be talking about. So more likely it would be on the Facebook what we are seeing. Or if it's YouTube, it's supposed to do this. Because those are probably two most where over the diaspora is concerned. But when you look, you see the comment. So you wonder if she just type up a comment, write up what she want to say and put it on. Because most of you say her shape on. And then, what you said, Corey? And she read out the comment. And then she start from there. And she jump right where she wanted to go from start. But it's just her way of starting as if, oh, I'm not really on live to talk about these people. I don't really want to talk about these people. But before you come off of the live, you always have to insert one or the other. Where?
And left, she always have to insert herself in everything. She always have to do this pity party business. I don't have a bucket of water in there where it turn. It's the pity party business for me that gets me sometimes. I'm like, and she sit down there with a straight friggin' face, having people, I believe, all of the garbage she a chat about. Anybody, guys, I am imploring the whole of upon here. Go on YouTube and type in Tina Chin and see what comes up. Nothing good now come up on social media about that girl.
It's her past.
Nothing. No,
She said she
YouTube,
don't
no
even
Facebook.
remember her past.
You must say things were relative to she
She
because
don't
of
think
she
about
post
her
them.
past.
You understand?
She don't
But nobody
have her past in
on
her mind or
social
intention. She don't think
media
about her
or
past.
YouTube have anything to say about that lady. She sit down there morning, noon and night and brainwash the whole her own up
The
on
amount
social
of past
media.
that she talk
That is
about.
what she's
What
doing.
is the past
She
that
for
suit
cancel
she?
her blood clot self.
But she don't
You
want to remember
understand?
the
For your blood clot
past.
convicted drug smuggler.
That she have
When
binnacle and tear down
if
people.
she did get through and go America with the drugs, how many lives she would have did fuck up? Answer me that question, guys. A known drug smuggler that admitted that she went to prison for drugs. And she out gay men out here and we forget cancel, go cancel your listen to me now, lady, don't.
And you know the thing is, as me say the other day, all crime is crime. Some might carry lesser penalties, but all crime is crime. I am not saying this now to say that I condole with whatever happened with CMR. And up to this minute, I still don't know what is going on because I still not try to find out. I still not try to go deep in it because I say that is sitting a litter all over social media. I mean, I like mix up in a littering. No. Never you say people are black road and you come from nowhere, come try help black the road too. You are the one who are going to salt and get catch. Leave who you come see a black and take for yourself because even when the police come, you're going to get catch too. You understand? So like how social media litter with that and all kind of fabricated story I go around about this and that and nobody know the real thing and whatsoever. All who used to that say this and say that before court hearing start say something different. Some of us leave them something there alone. But she come out against this man and talk about women, females and social media who support a particular set of persons. And these females support particular set of persons while tearing down good people like she. Which part are you good, Tina? Tina, which part are you good? For your mouth come right down to your breast to nowhere no good, Tina. So I don't understand what you're talking, but your mind, your heart, nowhere at all. You understand? And when you're gonna make it look as if, oh, and every day they come in social media and they reminds me and they reminds people about something that happens 13 years ago and I do my time and I come out. What happened 13 years ago? Was it that you just throw this car from the house up and drop and hit somebody and them take it personal and the law is the law, so them just say, okay, well, she said she press charge against you because the car hit her and stain up her clothes from the liquid that come from it. So we could have said, oh, that's common assault. That could have happened to anybody. You know, you could have looked over that. You understand? It's nothing like that. It's something just as what Kris has said, we can destroy a lot of families, a lot of individuals' life in society. But it's still, she no see it as nothing worse than what CMR do, or just not like, she didn't even match it up. And she come out here and justify her 13 years of past with him and saying it's nothing much. Can you imagine? What you have done, just as what Kris has said, could have caused a whole community to separate. Could have caused a whole family to separate. But it's still in your eyesight, it's like nothing. Because nothing you do, what is a problem to others, and not just because people don't like you, but in general, people seeing and hearing the story of what you do would have said, wow. You understand? You don't see it as nothing. But make me go out there now and buy one pack of cigarette and give a man with them say, doctor say you must smoke. You come out here and you make up big things about it. But look where you carry for go give people to destroy them and them family and society.
Touch my tongue today. Because I will tell you some things for hurt you. For make you hurt more than all your blood clot hurt. Nobody can cancel me. I cannot be cancelled.
When she says she want to cancel you,
know that.
you must see airline ticket.
And I know, me and you know, Tina Chin say you are trying your hardest to cancel me. You send immigration. Why you not talk about the evil things them you do to people out here?
No.
You make Esther lose her work.
It is nothing at all. It's simple something to what you do and other people do.
Come on my business place. You write how much letter to different places for mess me up, don't it?
Those things are
Yes,
not
you
harmful.
did.
She not
So
see
no
them
matter
something they
come on
harmful.
alive
So
and
she
sit
never
down
talk
below,
about it.
like you sit
But
down
why
below
she do
blood
it?
clot
If it never
show.
harmful, why she
Like
do it?
Say, you miss goody goody two shoot. What did you do? Can nobody come out here and go on like you never do nothing? You did something,
Victim.
that's why the whole of the diaspora
She
hates you
is
now,
playing
blood
victim.
clot,
With the half
and
pint
that
there.
is a
Half
friggin'
pint say
fact.
victory, you know what me I say victim.
You come out here, you mess with me, you mess with other people out here, and our
Countless,
and our
countless,
fans
countless.
and friends and families do not like it.
Countless
So if
amount of
anybody
people.
come off of you, it's your friggin' fault. If anybody come off of you, pick them, it's your fucking fault.
She built
because
those
you're
enemies.
out here, sit down, I try to wipe away the
She
fuckery
built her enemies
where you start
for no reason.
and I make people believe like say, and I make people for believe say, you never nothing.
But that's what she feed
You
off
did a
of.
lot out here, and you cause it. And you
People
still
business
won't shut
and
the
people
fuck up.
energize her, you know.
You still won't shut up. You still won't hold your blood clot corner and chill. And you tell people about your life to cancel me. And me you talk.
That a go on?
You can't
A
cancel
lie.
me, and you can't cancel me, lady. Remember me tell you that. And you're gonna live for some.
Cancer. People, did you know that in Jamaican terms, that is the decent way of saying unalive? Did you know that? Yes. In Jamaican terms, that is the decent way for somebody to just take up all them phone. Yo, cancel him. Yeah. Because the terms, what do you mean, man? Where the man say come from? The terms, once it's used in a certain way, because remember now when I send you, go buy one lotto ticket, I say cancel it, man, or one plane ticket, I say cancel it. So once me and you have something, and somebody say, hey boy, me I send a man come cancel you, you know what that means. So that is something to take serious, Kris, if she do say that. It is something to take serious. It is like an indirect way of threatening you. She did not come direct and say, oh, she gonna make man do this or she gonna do this. So it's an indirect way of threatening you. So once she used that terms, remember.
On social media for years, you can't cancel me. Okay? You can't cancel, and none of your idiot jingbang followers them can't cancel me neither. I mean, know what me I talk about. Then none of them can't do me nothing.
Hey, you see how she
You
coming
tried
like curly, you know.
one heap of time and
Pay
it
a mouth.
don't work.
One bag of mouth.
Go and bake a few cakes. You know, so you bake 300 and blood clot 65 days of the year, Miss Lady.
But no, that sounds
Go
sweet.
bake 2 cakes.
365. Hey, hello, hello.
Every day now you
I
cold
don't me a
house.
talk
You
about.
notice she in a winter coat in her house. Now, tell me now.
Yeah, somebody drive to
Who
me.
in them right mind slinging at them up?
Somebody drive to me attention and I say come like Tina eat a lock off. She can't pay for it. So Tina, our business a bloom and you can't fit your bills. Business can't bloom, so Tina, you can't fit your bills. And one of the worst time, me never got foreign yet. But by listening to people and get the understanding, winter is one of the worst time for people put you out. One. Winter are one of the worst time if you don't have no heater. Because that's the time when you need it the most. And somebody say, you know, see, I be a winter clothes thing now wearing in the house. How many Rasta Johnny? I know, say Kris has said the same thing there, so it has been an observation of people, Tina, that you're wearing winter clothes in house. Come tell the people them why you do that. You can't pay your eating bill or your gas bill or whatsoever. Something not right. Something not right. Ninja man vice that.
This big blood clad fur coat. Or what looks like a fake fur coat. Now she's sitting in her house in a hoodie with a scarf around her blood clad.
She cold.
No call the girl cold.
That me a talk about.
Me I said them cut off the gas, the heating in our house, because she don't pay our bill. And I know me believe
it is obvious. If so be the case, it is obvious. The true.
In a winter clothes.
How you feel in your house in a winter clothes?
How you feel in a winter clothes in a house?
Everybody would ask the same question. Seriously.
Your house could go pay your winter bill, your gas bill, or your heating bill.
Something not really right for you, you know. Watch it now. Why do you only hear me talk about she having the window open and sitting just next to the window actually doing her life? And all kind of insects are flying, all kind of bug and whatsoever, all roach good all are flying. Cause you cannot see them up and sit. Whoever, like when rainy time, I see those little rain flies or rain ants, and anyway light there, you don't see them they run it. I say you don't see them up and just a fly across the camera. You're like, ow! These bugs, these, and she not get up and lock the window. Because probably them time there, the place did warm and she not have no AC. So she have to left the window open to get some fresh air. So she prefer to get the fresh air and get bothered by these whole heap of insects. Me prefer nothing me like with my house. Me not like no mosquito in my place, you know. Right now, through the rain and fall, they don't know a mosquito out, you know, in them numbers. So as you pull your door, them sneak in upon you. Me not like mosquito or nothing in my house when me asleep, you know. How you talk about, man? Me don't want to depend. I took out all my eye and bust up all my lip and all them sitting there, man. When mosquito plays music in your ears, you know, man, them disturbing than if you're in the dance hall, you know. Oh, and you sit down and make all them the insect that come in. You must say, mad, door I feel lock and me burn up in the house. Eat to that to kill me and me get a piece of paper and fan. Yes, man. And you want to tell me, say, if you even have no AC, you don't have nothing no fan? Come on.
And leave me alone. Cause all you do out here, you call up my name morning, noon and night and I make reference to me and I shade me. So people so you can draw a crowd on social media, forget money for go pay your bill.
Marketing strategy, but it no work. 5 years now and it not work. Because we don't see her move from which part she did.
You nasty blood clot and you still a draw me tongue.
5 years we don't see she move from which part she did. So it just not working same way.
Why you not go bake some cake? Go bake some cakes. You say he's a baker, go bake. Go bake. You think I care about views? Me not care about views, my love. Cause my main source of earning is not social media. Your main social income is social media. Me not have to do social media, my love.
Alright, now in a baking season. Alright. Out of the festive season of baking season, I don't observe her like she depend on a 3-4 platform. But in the baking season, you know, when she should be baking, it's like she set up proper station to do her lives. With the big old picture frame or doorway with dirty and mildew where she said she just paint house. If I sit there, I can't remove her, I can't remove it. I would have to dab some of the paint over it. Worse, I plan to turn this in my station to sit down and people are going to see that. And like me, you know, outside there, so you don't know the tree they cover them over the house top and rain and fall, so you know, so the blossom and the substance and the tree leaf and limb them and things upon the house top, water run off and along the line there, so you can see the rainwater and the tree sitting there make it black. How different sitting that? That are in your house. You understand? You create a station in a baking season for them on 3 different platforms. I do live. As what the man say, are your main source of income. Because for your baking season, you're not supposed to have no time. If you're on one platform, you find time for 3 platforms. So you try to generate the money to catch your baking season. And it will come along in our way. You know the reason why it will come along in our way? You don't need much to bake. You don't really need much to bake. Because it's not like you have somebody that go buy 1 10 box of rum, 1 3 bag of flour, 1 2 bag of sugar, and all them something there. You buy according to all the little cents where you have stay. And you have to bake 3 cake before you can bake another 3 cake. And this is one of the main reasons why most of these people get them cakes so late. You understand? Because you don't have sufficient funds to pump into the business so you can prepare these orders in advance, ship them off, and then money come. So when you get the little down payment, where you always ask her for you to put together, to buy where you want, to mix your butter, to bake your cake. You understand? So you don't really need much, so it will come. So you starting at this time with the baking season is like tomorrow, next week. You know what you do. Because you don't bake much tea, you know. You don't buy not much. All these pallets and these things where you talk about. You don't try to fool the public out here. But the wise people out here understand and know. Somebody like you will love to brag and boast. You and Kaka Eye. You notice certain things you don't show out here. Kaka Eye only show the things when she go buy them and shop and buy them. But she not show when she go into the store and she not flick the price and show you. She not show when she take it up and she got the cashier and it value 160 from 200 down. You understand? It's only when she come home she has to pay this and this, so she buy it and that, so she buy it. And that's the same thing with you. It's content for you to take us or take your followers then, and if we book up in it, so be the case. Kind of me ya take. You know, take the people them go shopping with you, just like how such woman take her followers with her. But when you come back, come talk all kind of crap and want people believe it. When only is a social media person, where all things that people don't want to see out there on a show and talk about. But the things where people are glad they want to see as content. When you refuse to do that because you know the reason why? When you want to come tell us when you buy 1 case of this, when I just 1 single one you buy. And for somebody where I got bake all season for the Christmas and for all season right around the clock, you only buy 1 single bottle of vanilla. For a baker who bake right around the clock, you're not supposed to walk in a no store and buy 1 single bottle of vanilla. You have to buy cases of vanilla. But you buy the 1 single, you're not sure it, but when you're in the oven, people, this vanilla is very good, you know. Yes, you know that I used to buy like half case and I started to buy 2 case now because I realized it's very good. When I just buy it, I didn't trust it, so I just buy half case. But now I'm buying 3 case when all along I 1 single bottle you buy. Yes, man.
God bless me and earn on YouTube.
Mechanic boy, the man.
Now, who will come out here and a shade, who wanna cuss people for views? You. And you know you can't manage me. You can't manage me, a blood clot, my love. You talk every minute in your life and talk about me and drag your daughter. Me not drag your daughter. I wish your daughter well. I mean, I know about nobody else who I drag over penny. I have never dragged a person's child in my life. I'm ask God for strike me and take my life right now if I lie me and tell. Why
oh, because I know me I take the wood, come here and I green tree and rain and fall, you know.
They're trolling my kids. They're this and that. You make people are troll your blood clot pitney. They see your daddy are different pitney whenever like you.
We write up all kind of shit upon our platform. And when people see it and talk, she go on like, we are the problem. And your daughter are the problem and she expose you.
Your owner pitney last week say what? She don't have nothing to do with you.
Nothing. I have nothing to do with my mother. Don't talk to me about my mother. I have nothing to do with my mother.
I can't get cancelled. If me not cancelled, I can't get cancelled, my love. And I talk about, and these women, they grow up and these women, and they're supporting these gay men. And it is so sad. Everything is so sad. Move your dirty blood clot Tina China. You are the only sad person out here. You are the only sad person out here. You are the
People that
only
make
sad
the
person
couple
because you get
distance
up
away are
every
working
day
on my
pan
using
alive with a pity party for sell
in
cake.
power
Every
machine.
day you sit down pan alive and you have to draw me in a it. No, that means say you have to say the only way you're gonna sell cake is only if you come out here with pity party. You can't come out here one time and hold a straight face and talk about the topic where you start out with from start to end. You have to insert you and your little dibby life in it and what you went through and this and that. No me, no look here, no convicted drug smuggler can't reprimand me. And you can't instigate no cancellation out here.
Not time, because you know the powers there. Be a mouth you have.
And it's not the first time you did it.
Be a mouth like your friend
It's not
Kaka
the first time you did it.
Kaka
You're
come
a
out.
drug smuggler. You say it out of your...
Kaka come out here come say any man, any platform, she see her man picture pan what happen from when that happen. And a 2 time now, me see the man get exposed. Me don't know if I him still. But the first time she come out big and bold say I know him. I know my man that. I know my man that. But the second time you know this a man and this a pretty kill me yeah. You understand? We Kakai good at come tell the public she pay $300 for. We value must be $60 $65, $66, $69. Everything you have to do with 69 mass, yeah? You couldn't buy one shoes you are 66.70. Why you buy 66.99? All the 666 could have turn to 69. But you done already get the 66.69, you know, but I turn the 666. Yes, man. I know we can't see nothing happen to no platform all out here where I show the man, expose the man. You understand? So, she and Marcia is just one bag of lip service, that's all. It's content for them, so you have to allow them.
One blood clot mouth. Drugs where gonna mess up people's life and them families on
True.
the streets of New York.
That me a talk about.
Are you carry the drugs on me? Are you carry the drugs, my love, on me, my love? Are you go to prison? Are you them call out, my love, at the British Virgin Islands airport, my love? Are you carry the drugs from St. Lucia, my love?
BVI.
And it,
I.
about my past. Okay, your past is very rotten.
She don't want to remember it. That's why she don't want to remember it. You know, you were her last night.
Okay, yes, it's your past. It is your past.
She don't walk with fear
Right,
past. She
I
don't
get it.
remember her past, but she remember other
But
people
you did
own.
not carry drugs. So what people do with drugs, them not take it and get high.
But true, she
And
know
make
her
up
past so
themselves.
rotten. She
The
don't want to
same
remember
drugs
it.
What was a street value of how much $250,000 or whatever? How much kilograms of coke did I carry?
Quarter what? So, oh. Come here, Kris, come here. Like how you know how much the street value was. In a them the time, hey boy beer, where you jump up on me for? In a them the time there, how much should they get from that? Because if me I go run my risk of freedom or life for them, they sitting there, you know, it must have to work out, you know. But you know, let me tell you something where I understand. Because a couple of people mix up in it down here and get wall to in a yard, you know. Yeah man, down a yard, yeah. And when me understand about it, most time I want like $1,000 US. Sometimes I'll $800, $700 US based on probably the quantity. So if you risk my freedom and life for them to sitting there, worse if me have family and picnic to deal with. No, sir. Me not desperate, sir. Me not desperate, sir. Before, sir, I gotta do some of the hardest work where I pay. Some of the work where people don't want to do. Like cleaning, and all them type of work where enough people refuse at Jamaica and do it. Me don't want to know say it's tangible when it pay. When the pay time come, it payable. Yes man, before me run my risk there, so you must say mad. For what? 700 and 800 and 1,000 US.
Of cocaine.
Let's see man.
What is the intention of that?
Let's see what time, what trip you have to go make. And when you go the first time and it's working, you want to go again and again and again and again.
Catch with it, and you did go carry it to somebody with it and at New York, you have to carry it go, you know. Because remember, you don't get flight from British Virgin Islands back to New York. Remember, right? And if that drugs dig up on the streets of New York, so many people's lives would have been messed up because of you. And you are come out here going like he's a blood clot goody two show. Goody two show for who, lady? Eh? Goody two show for who? Drugs for come off of the street and you did I help for put it on the street. So make it make sense. Me no care how much years ago it was. You know how no talk here, so.
So wait, the record expunge? And all when the record expunge, it is still there.
Blood clot hell can't cancel me, my love. Go cancel your pussy. Or you carry the coke in her. That is what you need for gun blood clot cancel. You're bright. You stink. You understand me? The other day you come talk about I have your picture them and video them for me supposed to have it. Cause everything you chat about me, I love me have it. Put on as evidence and it's a lucky thing me did I keep them too. How about you having my blood clot cocky in your phone? You remember the day when you're sitting in your car, right? And you did watching my video with my big hood in your face. You remember that? How about you having my private parts in your phone, bitch? Talk about that. Talk about that. And you come out here going like you're goody for who? Go on here, lady. Why me can't?
Wanna see why I tell you so that's why T-girl come out and twist it? When you hear her this man in the video me post, she twist the scenario. So hold on, come here Kris, come here. Come here man. Come here, me not bias now, come here. So I exchange gift on the play. Me ask you, me not say I saw you know me just ask. On that play exchange gift, you send your one and she send for your one. Me no know, me just ask. Cause me know normal them something that exchange. You know? Yes man. Because me she come out and say you want her. And she just feel like you like her, you love her, you want her, but you don't know how to talk. So me I wonder if she send for her something come too. You understand? Because if I only you send and she have it up in her face. Because so she roll the tongue in her head because she used to sitting there from back then in the dance hall, you know. Because so the tongue roll from one corner and the jaw to the other corner. Can't keep in her head when she see it. You understand? So that's mean a back way she turn it as she wants you. Okay.
Get no space for park out here, so.
Please forget black shop. People.
Come out here go on like say you is Miss Goody. Like you're highly intelligent and pure more than anybody else. Go on, girl, let me tell you something. You don't really want me to come out here and shell down the blood clot place like how I used to back in the day.
I long time that you don't heard the shell down.
Cool
one time gonna man say, oh me I come shell the place later, you know. Come shell your party. A long time I don't hear that.
You can't cancel me. Never. It not gonna work. Once you have life, you go chat. And there's much of them at the right spot. And then I can't itch up your soul. You're bright and out of order. So the internet belongs to you. Girl, scratch your pum pum and smell it for me and tell me.
No. If she go do that, she have to stay indoor for 3 days. Because when you go so, if you see one like a stinking smell sitting there, you go so and go move it to one piece of stick, you know. For 3-4 hours next day the place smell, you know. So she have to go do that indoor and tell her where to do it. Don't make sure do it in the public. People the rain come down, you know what. Anytime it start come down with me have to get up, me just go in on my fall cub. A good to me have a nice fall cub. Hey, my fall cub can't rescue me from every different thing. Me cannot sleep in there. Wow. So stay tuned. If the rain come, I in there me I go.
Yeah. All these women, we are looking at none of my royals. You're not chatting none of my royals, my love.
Oh.
You're not chatting none of them for your life. I pure idiot people you over there chat to. But you're bright. You're out of order. Every every day you come out with pity party. I saw you plan for run business and sell cake, miss. Sorry, the Facebook. I saw you plan for run out all the while and throw shade for people for sell a cake. And you're intelligent more than anybody else? Huh? Sonia Peck, nobody come over here, come tell me what to do. Okay? Don't do it. Don't you dare. Hush your mouth if you don't have nothing to say. Okay? Or keep scrolling. I mean, I have no problem for telling for clear off neither. As a matter of fact, clear off. You can go now. Okay? Both done.
How will she get black? Or cement steel?
Both done. Done what? Done for what? You're in my brain? You're in my mind? You're in my thoughts? Done what? You're lucky you delete the comment, Liz. I block you, should I block her?
Oh, so she escaped. She escaped. She
escaped.
escaped. Yeah, she escaped.
And
make she escaped.
All who don't like it can bite it. Who order cake and want a refund because I'm out here cost, I will glad to give you back on the money. But I want thing on not go down and go silence me, my love, and tell me what to say and what to chat about and when to chat about.
Well, so them a plan to cancel you.
Once you have mouth I go chat. You sit down every day feeling sorry for your blood clot self. Most of what going out here, you cause it.
It's soon done, people. We now have to get up because the rain kind of steadily doing it. Now come down the only thing. Them say must be on a green tree when time rain a fall cause lightning and then sitting
You're
there.
not angry with me, you're
But
angry
it's
with
true we know
yourself.
so we always there with God.
You're angry with yourself. You're angry because I come out here and I speak my mind.
What you call me
And I
name
will
for?
say it again for the umpteenth time.
People, what you call me name for? What kind of speak my mind? What you calling me name for, Kris? Jesus, the call man get me in a mix up a call me name. Oh no, him say him speak in mind. Oh, him not mean speak my mind, it mean him speak in mind. Oh, me understand, yes. Alright, me understand, yeah. Thank you.
I have time for your frig with people out here. Right? I have a sick pitney. See, let me say it again. You have a pitney where have cancer and you're out here still a frig with people. Go and learn to be a mom. And that will
When if somebody
always
accuse them of something what you not
be-
do
if me go in
and them
front of
continue to
one
do it,
judge,
give them something to accuse you of, yeah. That's how it go. That's how it go. Give them something to accuse you of, because them accuse you wrongfully. What make you do it now?
You have time for frig with people out here and you have a sick pitney. Go and learn to be
When she
a
come
mom.
on social
Argument
media,
done.
come make it look like say,
You
oh,
can't cancel me, no dear bitch.
when you're trying to carry on my daughter with her condition and stuff, like she care for your daughter. I use her daughter make content. Where? I look sympathy.
No, love me. You're going to learn for love, for see me and mind your own business.
Adopt me a talk about. Right, there, so.
When you sit down in your cold house, you probably can't even buy a blood clot, blow eater, my love, for blowing in your room. Since you catch up in your room, my love. You look stink, under you look sweaty. But in a house in a fur coat.
So she not go buy one cotton
Woody,
towel?
we not
Go buy one cotton towel and wrap it on there so you cotton. The
I
towel
know,
through a
Woody.
cotton, it soak up all of those moisture,
Right.
you know? Cotton towel. Buy a full cotton
Out of
towel.
order. I refer to all these two gay men and you women sit there and you listen to them and whatever. And because of you.
Yeah,
it's
she always
you.
want to get the people in the comment
It's only
involved, like
you.
they fully
Nobody
support
but you.
every crap and
Nobody
every
now
bullshit
cuss you
out
in
there.
them.
When
But
you
you
same
didn't feel
people
it
in your
right,
comment
but
do the
glance
same thing
back
where
in the
you's concerned,
comment
support
and
your
say,
foolishness.
Weren't you cursing Donna Pitney? You did a curse-
500
you did a
pounds,
curse Donna
400
Pitney,
pounds. She said the woman picked the
You
way.
were cursing the lady's child.
She come out against Joshua
One
already
good
too.
turn deserves another. Cause you're one of them will look like say you have amnesia too. You're one of them will look like say you have amnesia, my love. You don't remember
She
the
can't
things that we
recall.
say out here, but we remember though.
She can't
All of we
recall.
remember,
One stuff have to do with
and we have
she
the
can't
evidence.
recall. But she will recall anything.
Oh.
We're at my centuries away
All
when it come
fucking
on to
head
somebody
fuck.
else. But from a she, if I last week, last month, last year, she can't
And busy
remember. She
season
cannot
now.
recall.
Go get the cake them from early and make sure the people them get them cake early. And that's if we do.
That problem you not go solve
Get it from social
until she
media, sit down like you try
have
for-
money to
like
put
you
in the
try for win
business.
bucketive. I can't try for win, but nobody, listen, look here.
Anyway, people, me now make the rain catch me. So bless up on yourself. Thanks for watching. Me say social media at. Me get one homework we go do. Me go sift through it. Me go tell you now what. If me sift through the homework and me like what me see, I'm going to come out, come dissect it. But I want to add part of social media over Planka Shop. So me get it for do, but you don't know. What time is it now? After 4, it's my work time. You know, when I put some interest in my business, and I'm a very punctual person when it comes on to my personal business, because just as though you're out there at work for your man, and you know you have to clock in 8 o'clock, that's the same way you have to do and treat your business if you want your business to be successful, just like the man we did at work for before. We have this big establishment. Yes, we are the ones who make him have that big establishment. All him do is finance the establishment, but without our strength and workforce, it couldn't reach this. So if everybody who take a step in life and move away from him workforce and do them own thing, put the same energy in them own business, the same principle, you understand? Yes, it will work out just the same. So me is a man like that. When me used to run taxi, 4 o'clock I go to work. When 4 o'clock anywhere me there, me mad. And nobody else can't call me for do nothing. Because you see the people them will look out for me 4 o'clock up to 8 o'clock when me I go work till. I have to be with a punctual where them is concerned. It's just like if you have a business, people are come to you every day for the something where you sell, and one whole week them are come here and have it. You know what them do? Them gone somewhere else. And it's not nice for you to be trying to gain back a customer where you lose. You're supposed to add power where you have. That's so you know your business has progressed. So as I say, I work time. So later, when we get some time, I'm going to sift through that if I like it and can dissect it, because I say it hot in over Planka Shop. You know we hear from me tomorrow morning with it. If not, I have to move on to something else. But to me here, I will find interest in it. So let's see how it works out. Bless up on yourself, you know what to do. It is so easy. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend and hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads and continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. There's an extending part of Life is a Mission now on TikTok, where you still get a different little side of me over there. 3 different platforms, 3 different things. You understand? And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy is in the comment section. Help her to reach at 1,000. She just need 104 more. And if you can carry her this far, why carry her this far and stop? Come on, there's a lot of people not subscribe yet. Just give her the subscription. It not cost on it, not take nothing not found. Alright? And remember, the cash app is there, $ Charms and Chen. So when you give me, I give back to the needy. And my people. You say anything, if you know you plan to send me one birthday gift January, for January 5th, which is my birthday, better to send it from December. Yes, man. Because the Christmas are right, my birthday are right after the Christmas. Because, as I say, my plans for this Christmas season give back, which is the month-end give back, is to add even 5 persons to the persons that I've reached out to already and give a small parcel of grocery. So I want to reach out to even 10 persons. Normally I give a parcel of grocery for 10 or 12, 13,000. If me even cut that in at 2 and say make some like a 5,000 bag, I want to give 10 persons. I have a little handful of people. When hearing this, them know me not call them individually on phone. I just talk when I talk on the platform. And when they reach out to me, yes, me know when them hear them, I'm going to reach out. And anybody else who want to come on board and give me, it's not a charity, but yeah, give me a gift for my birthday, which is January 5th. Send it from me at the Christmas. $ Charms and Chens, that's the cash app. And if you don't have no cash app or you don't have no Zelle, the Zelle is not pinned. You can reach out to me at 876-221-9789. When you give me, I use the gift to give back to the needy. You understand? That's where it is. Me can buy a pound of rice Christmas, me can buy a piece of turkey, me can buy a piece of ham. Them can probably buy nothing, a mackerel or a sardine. So, we want to make, if I'm a 10 person, life different. Well, me might not buy no meat kind, because most of them are no fridge, most of them are no light. But at least, little rice, little flour, little cornmeal, little lasco, 2 little tin of mackerel, sardine, piece of saltfish and little butter and oil. At least, if I even that, them can cook. If them can cook no big dinner. Because enough of them would have to depend upon probably somebody next door or whatsoever. And probably it not come. So if I even have $5,000 bag of grocery, so I know me have a little handful of people, them VVPPPP people, them, and I have uno, we might never yet contribute in giving me, but uno contribute in a sense of watching the ads on the channel, so when we get my little much, we can take from it. Bless upon yourself if you can't afford to send anything, or you play on a role by watching the ads, I'm still grateful. Bless up. Thanks for watching. Remember, go subscribe to Life is a Mission TV and follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. Bless up. I'm out.